I've recently retired and I just thought it would be nice to give myself a little boost, a little treat and some confidence. So I've decided to opt for the Profhilo.
So Profhilo helps to hydrate and remodel the skin. It really helps to make the elastin and the texture of the skin to really look rejuvenated. And of course the treatments are required in order to achieve that. But it really helps to hydrate the texture. So if you've got good volume, the next step really is to have Profhilo. If you don't have good volume, we need to start at the bone structure first. We need to give lift and volume with other dermal fillers first before moving on to Profhilo.
Mainly, I think the lines on my neck and possibly a little bit around my mouth and eyes.
For those up-face anti-wrinkle treatments, we recommend that, well, manufacturers say every 2 to 6 months, because if you're very unfortunate, it may only last 2 months. If you're very fortunate, 6. But we've got a variety of customers who come in regularly at 3 to 4 months and others who come every 6 months. So it does depend on the individual and how your muscles respond. For example, an anti-wrinkle treatment like the botulinum toxin affects the muscle, whereas Profhilo is all about affecting the skin and the texture of the surface skin.
I certainly wouldn't have anything too invasive. I would never even contemplate having a facelift, but I've done a little bit of research on this and it looks, it's pure, no additives.
Profhilo is a hyaluronic acid gel and it hydrates in the skin, and we deposit boluses of 0.2 mil on the surface of the skin in a set protocol across the face. And what that does is it helps to hydrate by spreading up to 4 centimeters, but it helps to change the collagen so that the elastin improves.
I'll be 65 at the end of the year, so and we didn't used to worry too much about protecting our faces from the sun years ago. We just lie in the sun and bake. I think, you know, we're more wary of the sun now, but years ago we weren't too bothered about it, so I suppose there is sun damage. So I'm hoping this would sort of help with that, and in future I'll wear a good sunscreen.
The ideal person for Profhilo is somebody who has volume but a poor surface skin texture. So if the skin looks crepey and very finely lined, then maybe we need to hydrate and remodel the skin.
I've told a couple of my friends I'm having it done, and I think they're waiting to see whether it makes much difference. They may decide to have it done as well. And I know Chantel has a really good reputation, so I thought it would be a good opportunity to hold the years back a little bit.